In this video, let's talk about how to use the Indeed salary tool. If you're inside of Indeed, you'll be able to see a section which is called Find Salaries. This is the section which lets you browse through different industries and the top jobs that pay the most salary. You can add in your job title and select the country where you want to find the job or the salary of. For example, if you search up any job title and then select your country or location and then hit search, it is going to show you the average salary that this particular job title is earning. Now, this is just an average. It could be more or less. If you scroll down, you're going to see the highest paying companies as well in the selected location. Along with the salary, if you scroll down further, you can take a look at the cities which are paying the most. Now, this tool is going to be useful if you are also looking for a niche job. So, for example, if you are in the marketing space and if you are trying to choose between which position pays the most, you can take a look at and switch between different posts or different job titles. So, you can switch between marketing specialist or marketing manager. This way, the salaries will vary based upon your location as well as different cities. So, using this tool, you can pick a niche which suits you the best and which pays a higher average salary. So, that is the way that you use Indeed's salary tool. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.